ఓం శ్రీ గణేశాయ నమః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణీయం. ఓం శ్రీకృష్ణాయ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. దశకం 61, శ్లోక 6. గృహీతనామ్నే త్వయి సంభ్రమాకులాః చతుర్విధం భోజ్యరసం ప్రగృహ్యతాః చిరం ధృత త్వత్ప్రవిలోకనాగ్రహాః స్వకైః నిరుద్ధా అపితూర్ణమాయయుః. వర్డ్ బై వర్డ్ మీనింగ్. త్వయి గృహీత నామ్ని, when thy name was taken, uttered. చిరం ధృత త్వత్ ప్రవిలోకనాగ్రహాః, చిరం for long, ధృత held, త్వత్ పరిలోకన to see thee, agraha desire, who had since long been nurturing a desire to see thee, taha they the wives, sambhramakulah in great excitement, chaturvidham four kinds of, bhojya rasam food, pragruhya taking with them, swakaihi by their husbands and others, niruddhaha api though prevented, turnam quickly, ayayuhu came. Full meaning. When thy name was mentioned by the boys, the wives who had since long been nurturing a desire to see thee came quickly to thee in great excitement, bringing four kinds of food, in spite of the attempts of their husbands and other relations to prevent them from coming to thee. Note: four kinds of food. See Bhagavad Gita chapter 15 verse 14. All kinds of food can be grouped under four categories: those to be masticated, those to be swallowed, those to be sucked, and those to be licked. Bhakshyam, Khadyam, Choshyam, Lehyam. Om Tat Sat.